The Maxstar 161 is best of class and provides maximum portability and performance in one of the most compact DC TIG stick packages in the industry, whether in the shop or on a job site. At only 13 pounds, the handle and shoulder strap allows the welder to move from location to location with ease. In spite of its small size, this unit offers advanced functionality, such as high-frequency TIG arc starting and pulse TIG, making it optimal for even the highest purity DC TIG applications. Additionally, 60-10 stick capability makes this optimal for field welding applications. This compact machine provides the necessary controls that can easily be adjusted. AutoLine allows for any input voltage hookup with no manual linking, providing convenience in any job setting. The X-Case provides ultimate durability for storage and transportation, eliminating unintended damage and downtime. When you need dependability and performance all in one machine, look no further than the Maxstar 161 STH from Miller.